Okay, good afternoon and welcome to WolfTech TV, operating out of Barbados. Today we're going to do an unboxing for the USB 3.0 Universal Docking Station. This is one of the newer docking stations to come out. It's from a company called LB1. At least that's what it said on the internet, from Amazon, where we got this one. And it's supposed to have quite a few peripherals that allow us to basically connect up only two cables to our laptop and then move on. So let's start. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of room today because it came just when we were in the midst of resetting our office space, so we're kind of operating in a mess. So I'm going to try and make this really simple and really quick. Alright, let's see how this opens up here. Ooh, very nice. Okay, as you can see, it comes well packaged. With this is the actual unit, it looks like. Yes, it is. Here's the unit, and as you can see, it has the DB9, the HDMI, Ethernet, 4 2.0 USB ports, 2 3.0 USB ports, a 3.0 GPI port, and the power port for the adapter. This is actually well packaged. It's a little smaller and thinner than I had anticipated. It's almost like a book, really. Alright, here's the adapter. Let's see what else is in the box. Wow. Okay. This is the aluminium base station, 3.0 USB cable. This is a DV to DB9 adapter. Quick start guide and manual. This would be the software, installation software. And here we have, I guess this is one of the panels to hook to the base station. And these are screws. Alright. Let's take the main unit out of this package just to get a closer look. See what it's all about. Okay, this feels pretty sturdy. It's not heavy or anything like I thought. Alright, and as you can see, basically the 4 USB ports, 2.0, the 2 3.0 ports, the GPI port, the adapter, DVA, HDMI, and the RJ45 jack. What am I talking about? So what happens when you're old school and you're getting into the new feel of things. All in all, it's a good construction. It's from a company called Stronger. I don't know if you can see that. And that is that. I'll come back with a review at a later date to give my impressions of the actual unit. So there you have it. USB 3.0 docking station from Stronger. Hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.